AXS, USDT Overview. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel our passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot. Time frame, mid-term. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between targets. Entry levels, 6.382 to 7.740. Take profit targets. Target 1, 11.798. Target 2, 13.479. Target 3, 15.357. Target 4, 16.645. Target 5, 18.218. Stop loss level, 3.820. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, consider moving your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price to lock in profits and limit potential losses if the market changes direction. Recommendation. Enter the trade after a pullback for a better entry price. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We wish you successful trading.